Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or options or remove some of them, or just to change the position of the icons, you should click here on this edit icon. And now we can see here this down section with the invisible icons. Just to add these options, for example the superpower icon or feature, we should hold and drag the icon to the just up section. For example, let's also here the Google Assistant. If you wanna just remove some of these icons, you should by the same way hold and drag them to the down section. And just to change their positions here, you should hold and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple to do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.